So just a quick update in terms of what's happening with the Muslim Youth Helpline. We've been on the front line of the mental health issues for the last few weeks. So just in case you haven't heard of us, we are a helpline by live chat, email and telephone. And over the last couple of weeks, we've had quite an uptake in inquiries which are related to coronavirus. So these are some of the issues that people are calling with, and I'll just pick on a couple of them. The first few really are all about anxiety, and that's whether you have an anxiety condition before and this is making it worse. So for example, if you have health anxiety, one of the things that you do through cognitive behavioral therapy is rationalize things and say, actually, I think I'm going to be okay. Whereas in the world at the moment, there's really not that much logic that says you're going to be okay, as we've heard on the call earlier. So that's quite hard to deal with. And then there's general anxiety, which comes from the anxiety that we're all feeling, basically being kind of like a fizzy drink, where we're all kind of reading and consuming so much information about coronavirus that it gets quite overwhelming sometimes. So a lot of us are scared for our families and things like that. And so that's what we're dealing with. Financial stress is another one. And I think the government has been helpful in some ways, but also people are still confused about what's happening. We've had a few calls around GCSEs and A-levels where people are not really sure whether they're going to be getting the grades that they need and things like that. So there's essentially a lot of instability and uncertainty. There is a lot of information out there. And so what we've done at MYH is we've put together a kind of repository of information. So if anyone is interested, myh.org.uk/coronavirus, what we've done is put together a little bit of information around why mental health is such a concern, what people can do, and then a few things like tips, health advice, and things like that. And if you have anything useful, please do email it in to info@myh.org.uk. We're looking to make sure that this is kind of a comprehensive resource for people.